December quietly decides how productive your garden will be months from now. While most gardeners wait for perfect conditions, the most abundant harvests are already being set in motion on patios, balconies, rooftops and doorsteps. Containers eliminate cold soil delays, protect roots from extremes, and allow crops to establish faster than anything planted directly in the ground later. Miss this window, and you don't just lose time. You lose yield, momentum, and the chance to harvest when everyone else is still waiting. Why December containers outperform spring gardens. Containers warm faster, drain better, and give you control. Roots don't fight compacted soil or cold saturation. Instead, they grow continuously, even when outdoor beds are stalled. Planting in December, really gives your crops a chance to establish strong root systems before that rapid spring growth kicks in. And honestly, this leads directly to heavier yields. So, this isn't just about growing small plants in pots, it's really about using timing and biology to your advantage. The soil mix is what truly unlocks container productivity. In fact, container crops will either succeed or fail based on the structure of the soil. So, you'll want to use a blend that drains freely but still holds on to moisture. A reliable mix, honestly, is made with 2 parts compost, 1 part garden soil or topsoil, and 1 part coarse material like sand or rice hulls. For every 10 litres of this mix, just add 1 tablespoon of crushed eggshell or agricultural lime. This helps stabilise calcium levels and, prevents blossom issues down the line. Water thoroughly after planting until water flows from the bottom. Then let the top layer dry out a bit before watering again. Leafy greens that explode in containers. December is prime time for leafy crops because, cool temperatures prevent bitterness and encourage steady growth. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, arugula, mustard greens, lettuce varieties, pak choi, endive, mizuna, tatsoi, collards, and beet greens all thrive in containers planted now. These crops grow quickly, tolerate cool nights, and regenerate after harvest. In containers, they produce cleaner leaves, fewer pests, and, honestly, faster regrowth. Root crops that actually prefer pots. Many gardeners avoid root crops in containers, but actually some of these crops produce better yields in pots than in beds. Radishes, carrots, baby turnips, beets, spring onions, scallions, garlic greens, leeks and short-season potatoes all perform exceptionally well when soil depth is controlled and loose. December planting allows roots to develop slowly and evenly, which results in sweeter flavour and, honestly, a more uniform size. Herbs that become permanent producers. Herbs are honestly among the most productive container crops you can plant in December. Parsley, cilantro, chives, thyme, oregano, sage, rosemary, dill, mint, basil in warm climates, and fennel all establish best during cooler conditions. Once rooted, herbs transition into near-permanent producers that really require little input beyond harvesting. Fruit crops that get a head start, can really make a huge difference in your harvest. Certain fruiting crops benefit enormously from early container planting. Tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, bush beans, peas, strawberries, cucumbers, zucchini and dwarf okra all gain a powerful advantage when started in December in containers. Early root development leads to earlier flowering and longer harvest windows. This often means, honestly, you're harvesting weeks before in-ground plantings. So, why do containers reduce pests naturally? Well, pests tend to thrive in plants that are stressed. Containers actually help reduce stress by improving drainage, warming up the soil and isolating your plants from those pest-heavy ground zones. When your container crops are healthy, they produce stronger natural defences, which, makes them less attractive to insects. Raised height also discourages crawling pests, while controlled watering prevents fungal pressure. Feeding container crops without over-fertilizing is, really important. Containers need consistent but gentle feeding. A simple liquid feed supports growth without forcing weak tissue. Just mix 1 tablespoon of compost or worm castings into 5 litres of water. Stir well and apply to the soil every 10 to 14 days. This keeps nutrients available without salt buildup, which is honestly the most common container failure. Spacing that multiplies yield. Overcrowding is, the fastest way to ruin container crops. One healthy plant outperforms several stressed ones, really. Match container size to crop size and allow roots to fully expand. Deep containers produce deeper roots, which means larger harvests. Spacing is yield insurance. Watering in winter containers. Winter container watering is about balance. Water deeply, then wait. Containers should never stay soggy. When there's too much water, it actually pushes out the oxygen and slows down growth. So good drainage and a bit of patience are honestly more important than just how often you water. Watering in the morning, really helps the soil warm up naturally as the day goes on. So, why does December planting pay off all year? Well, December-grown container crops enter spring already established. While others are still transplanting seedlings, your plants are, already flowering, leafing out, and even producing. This timing advantage, honestly, just compounds harvest after harvest. And this is how small spaces can actually outperform large gardens. If this guide helped you rethink container growing, go ahead and subscribe to Nature's Blueprint. Share this with a fellow gardener and help keep real, practical growing knowledge alive.